If I could sum up Meredith in one word, I would say opportunity. You get to be involved in as little or as much as you want, and you get to really establish your path here, and there is opportunity no matter where you look, no matter where you turn. I knew that I wanted to study some type of exercise science, and the program here was so well-rounded. I realized what direction of career I wanted to go into. We had the opportunity to take a course that set us up for the American Council of Exercise's Certified Personal Training exam. And I never really wanted to be a personal trainer. It didn't really interest me at all. And I was like, let me just take the test and get a certification under my belt. And through that certification, I taught classes through the Working on Wellness Faculty and Staff Exercise program. I was able to work with people who had different clinical conditions, and I realized how important exercise is in mitigating the development of conditions or improving outcomes of certain conditions. I ended up finding a love for personal training. I've been doing it for 2 years now and established my own LLC with it. I have had the opportunity for a lot of leadership positions, including being the field hockey team captain, serving as the student supervisor in the Lowry Fitness Center, and also being the student athlete advisory committee president. These roles showed me how important and special it is to work with people. Being a leader really develops your humbleness and also accountability. How do you hold people accountable kindly, but also set expectations for the people around you? And that's the most important part about being a leader. Discipline and enforcement can only get you so far, but if you develop respect and encourage those around you, that's the key to being the best leader, in my opinion. There was a really great opportunity to do undergraduate research. It was really cool to be able to create our own project, and we utilized large, expensive pieces of equipment like the bod pod. We also got to use our EMG cart, which looks at muscle activation, which was also a really cool thing. So just the opportunity to learn how to run this equipment that a lot of students at other universities probably wouldn't see or touch until graduate school is really, really incredible. My junior year of high school, I heard of Meredith through a recruiting tournament. They had a brand new NCAA field hockey program at Meredith, and that drew me. I wanted to be a part of the start of a new program. It was the first recruiting class who had actually played field hockey, and just getting to establish the culture, accountability, what we wanted for the program. It's just been incredible. Post-graduation, I'll be working as the wellness coordinator at the UNC Health Wellness Centers. I was able to intern there before getting hired for the role. Definitely the connections through Meredith was really helpful in just the application process. They know the type of program I'm coming from. It makes me feel confident moving into the workforce, having these experiences under my belt. Some of the things I'm most proud of in my time here is just how I've grown as a leader, how I've developed my interests, and everything I did I was incredibly invested in, and I focused on this couple things that I really loved rather than doing everything I possibly could, and I think that's what really made my experience really special. My name is SierraGrande. I am a health, exercise, and sports sciences major at Meredith College and a member of the class of 2026. This is me. This is Meredith.